Because it's loud. Because it's loud. Anyone's gonna like or comment or subscribe. But anyway, we're making Amapiano today. The loud one, the one with the deep voice. I don't know what they call it, gigi or something. Yes, we're making that. So watch till the end for better understanding. Done. So I usually start with a log drum, but this is a different log drum. This is a freak from GMS. Let's go, freak GMS. You see this one right here. Now I'm gonna put it on soft, on distortion, and then I'll put my samples together like this. Copy this one, put it down. Yes. I'm gonna change it a little bit. You know, add this one right here, and add another one. And not just listen to them as I go, and if they sound bad, you change it. Like, you should just use your ears, you know. Nice, I like this one. I'm gonna paste it right here. I'm gonna make it repeat because, you know, I don't wanna add too much. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of different style, you know, so that it can sound a little bit like not the same too much, you know, because it's gonna sound like it's the same. Nice. And duplicate it again. Now you understand. Now let's add a real log drum. We're gonna add a log drum 5. We're gonna copy this one and paste it just right here. Now it sounds like a log drum. Now let's add a distortion so that it can sound a little bit powerful, you know. It doesn't sound loud enough. Yeah, we're gonna add distortion, and I'm gonna put it on soft, not clip, soft. I'm mistaken. Soft. Yeah, now it sounds better. Nice. Now right here I'm adding this perk. Decrease this volume so that it can sound not too loud, sound present but not too loud, and add a reverb, then add a delay. Let's add a delay. Yeah. Now duplicate it. Decrease the volume a little bit. I don't want it to be too loud. Now this is a snare, a military snare. Not exactly a military snare, but it sounds a little bit like a military snare. Nah, that's nice. And then duplicate this one too. Nice. Let's add this. I think I like this. I'm gonna make it like an intro. I'm gonna go 1 2 1 2 1 2 2 2 2 3. Just like this, right here. And then I'm gonna make it first on this part, and then more faster. I don't know how to say it in the producer language, but you understand. Just like this. Now I'm gonna clone it, and then make it different for the different sound, you know. And this one I'm gonna mute it, and I'm gonna do this. Oh, mistake. Copy it and paste it on a different side. Now, look at how it sounds. It sounds good. Oh, put a little bit of melodies. I'm gonna add this electric. After that I'm gonna change it and make it organic, because I don't want it to sound, you know, most of my videos I made it electric. So now I'm gonna add a reverb there and then decrease it so that I can humanize them like I usually do on my other videos. And add this one under there. add some delay, reverb, keyboard. I'm on GMS organic. I told you organic. And then I added this one too under the same organic, but it's different patterns. Now this is how I put down my full track. Now this is what I do to add the automation clip. I record, as like I did right there. I record, then I move the automation clip, then it's gonna end up like this, and I'm gonna add things together like that. Clone this to sound a little bit too loud. Then I'm gonna add some military snare that will copy the same pattern as the lock drum, and then I move them on the same note, put them on the same note like this. Duplicate them. They sound nice. They are not loud enough, so I'm gonna increase the volume just like this. Nice. And I'm gonna delete these parts. I don't think we need them. I think I'm gonna delete more after this. I'm gonna paste it right here. I'm gonna paste it right here. And then I'm gonna delete these parts too. Like I said, I have to delete those parts on top, yes. And then I delete them. Now this is my full beat. Let's go. Danko. And if you watch it right now, I like to say thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, please, guys. Thank you. I appreciate all the love.